Hello everyone, I'm Sam from Unlimited Growth Dive. Today I'm going to share you how you can create the Google Tag Manager to set up all kind of tracking tool. Google Tag Manager is very important and is a free tools from Google. Through the Google Tag Manager, you can set up all the tracking tools like Google Ads conversion trackings, Google Ads Analytics 4 and everything. So first of all, you have to come Google and search Google Tag Manager. After that, you can see like this window. Click on that. And if you have any Google Tag Manager account previously, then you can see it. If you do not have, then create new account and put the name of your account name and put the country that you are selected from Bangladesh. Again, put the container setup. In on account, you can create multiple container setup. After that, you have to select it that which platform you want to target it. Website, Android, app or servers. 90% times people go with website because we are tracking from website. Click on the website. Now click on the create option. Now click on the I accept terms and condition and yes. Boom. The Google Tag Manager account open is done. In the next video, I'm going to share you how you can give me or give someone your Tag Manager access. So stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.